Amidst the ongoing battle between ex-couple Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie, younger daughter Shiloh Jolie has come forward to legally drop her father's last name. Shiloh, on her 18th birthday, turned up to the court asking them to drop Brad Pitt's last name. She claimed she no longer wants to associate herself with her father's surname. As per the reports, Shiloh also published a newspaper ad requesting the same. However, 100% honesty is not yet found in the same, but Shiloh's lawyer did come up to talk about the whole situation. According to what her lawyer says, this decision was associated with a series of painful events she has been through. Shiloh's attorney, Peter Levine, has completely refused to accept any reports that claim that the younger one published a newspaper request for getting Brad Pitt's surname removed. Shiloh Jolie did not take out an ad announcing any name change, and any press reporting that is inaccurate, the attorney informed while calling out the media. Peter bashed the press and the rumors, saying they should be accurate and specific before covering stories on young adults, especially when they are making some personal decisions of their lives. He claims that being an attorney, he was supposed to put out the notice of a name change, which is why he published a legal notice in the LA Times. I am required to publish a legal notice because the law in California requires that of anyone who wants to change their name, he added. This information has clearly falsified the ongoing rumors of Shiloh Jolie taking it to the newspapers herself. In the month of May, the youngest among the 6 kids of Brangelina decided to pull off her father's last name. She turned from Shiloh Noel Jolie Pitt to just Shiloh Noel Jolie. Reportedly, sources close to Pitt claim that this is an extremely hurtful thing for Brad Pitt, as Shiloh was his first biological daughter. His relationship with kids has discolored with time. With legal permits and Angelina's agreement, Brad still continues to visit his younger kids. However, the 60-year-old actor's elder kids have distanced themselves and are no more in touch with him.